How to view deleted WhatsApp messages. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell button on. So what you're going to do first is go to your settings. Once you are in the settings, go to the notifications and status bar. Manage notifications, and then you have to search for the WhatsApp application. Just scroll down until you see the WhatsApp app, open it, and make sure that all of the options in the notifications are on so that you will see incoming messages and messages sent through the notification and taskbar. What you would do next is go to WhatsApp and go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, go to chats, and you will see here an option chat backup. In chat backup, you will be able to see and download all of the deleted messages as long as it is in the time frame of the backup. You can also adjust the time frame of the backup here. Once you have decided, you can click backup, and the messages, including the deleted ones, would be uploaded to your drive. Take note that you'll be the only one to see these messages. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.